Today, we have something exciting to share. The all-new 2024 Honda CBR650R. Let's dive into the details. The CBR650R impresses with its sleek and aggressive styling. From the headlight to the taillight, it exudes a sporty vibe. The updated design hints at its performance capabilities, making it a head-turner on the road. Under the fairings, you'll find a refined 649cc inline-4 engine. With 70 kilowatts of power and 63 Nm of torque, this bike delivers a smooth and exhilarating ride. Long rides are comfortable, thanks to rider-friendly ergonomics. Whether you're commuting or hitting the twisties, the CBR650R keeps you at ease. The 2024 model features a brand-new 5-inch TFT screen. Honda Road Sync connectivity is operated by a simplified 4-way toggle switch. Stay connected and informed while riding. Also, it now features the all-new Honda e-clutch system. 15.4 liters for its tank capacity. With 20.9 kilometers per liter average gas consumption, it has 810 millimeters of seat height, ground clearance of 130 millimeters, and 208 kilograms of weight. For the standard type, we have two colors: the matte gunpowder black metallic and the Grand Prix red. Now for the e-clutch type, we have the Grand Prix red. The standard type comes with a unified standard retail price of 554,000 pesos, while the e-clutch type price will be announced soon. In summary, the 2024 Honda CBR650R combines performance, style, and practicality. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie, this versatile sport bike won't disappoint. Again, this has been Jay-Z. Enjoy the ride.